We can't touch the cloud in the sky. But we already use cloud every day. From Google Drive to Netflix, cloud computing powers our lives. I'm Joshua. I'm a deaf tech creator in computer science and IT. Let's break down what cloud computing is, how it works, and why it matters for your future. Cloud is using someone else's computer through the internet. It gives access to storage, servers, databases, and software without owning them. Like a library, you borrow what you need without keeping it. We connect from our laptop, phone, or desktop to a cloud provider. The provider runs the servers and services. They scale based on your needs, like upgrading Netflix to 4K. Or buying more storage on iCloud. Public cloud. Anyone can use, like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud. Private cloud. For one company only. More control. Hybrid cloud. Mix of both. Some private, some public. IaaS. Infrastructure as a service. You rent virtual servers, e.g., AWS EC2. PaaS. Platform as a service. You build apps without managing hardware, e.g., Heroku. SaaS. Software as a service. You use apps like Gmail, Zoom, or Canva. Cloud jobs are growing really fast, about 14% each year. There are lots of roles like cloud engineers, architects, DevOps, security, and data analyst. Companies really need right now. The cloud market is huge, almost hitting $1 trillion, and it's still growing strong every year. People working in cloud roles make good money too. For example, a cloud engineer can earn $120,000 to $150,000 a year, and more experienced folks like cloud architects or security specialists can make $190,000 or more. And the cool thing, these jobs aren't just at tech companies. Hospitals, schools, banks, even entertainment, all need cloud experts. So if you learn cloud computing, it's a great way to start a tech career. Or level up what you're doing. So next time you use TikTok or Google Drive, that's cloud computing at work. Learn the basics now, and maybe you'll work on the cloud one day. If you enjoy this video, there are more video in my channel. You like to learn tech included ASL English. Thank you.